if you can see the top of my head. Can y'all see my little gold bobby pin things I got going on? I'm trying to be cute for y'all, you know what I'm saying? A little shoulder out, whatever. A little action. Bonjour Mon Petites, it is I, the Fabulous Treats, back with a new video. And in today's video, we are doing yet another Valentine's Day look. That makes 3 videos this week, right? Don't be expecting 3 videos a week from me though. This is a special occasion. But today's look is this really sultry, really pretty. It's kind of different. Y'all don't really see a lot of like red eye Valentine's Day looks. So today, we gonna do one. So if you want to see how I do what I do and how you can do it too, then keep on watching and I will catch you on the other side. All right, so this camera is new. And like I haven't adjusted the settings or anything like that. I just wanted to get this video started, you know what I'm saying? So we just gonna jump right into it. We just gonna do it. And hope everything goes well. Hope the quality's great. I hope everything goes well. All right, so now I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. I'm gonna use the orange in there to just get under my eyes because I'm a little dork today. I don't know why I'm looking a little dork. And I don't know if it's because the light in my house or what, but I'm looking a little dork and we're gonna fix that. And then for foundation, I'm gonna use the Black Radiance, what is it? The Black Radiance Color Perfect foundation stick. And I'm using the shade Bronze Glow. I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of cappuccino. Cause like Bronze Glow is it's not too light, but you know, mixing it works. I'm gonna use the Morphe M356 brush to just buff this whole shit out. Cause I can't find my flat Morphe. What the hell did I do with that brush anyway? And this brush works fine. All right, I'm gonna just take the Technique sponge and just blend the rest of this one out, just to make sure we're even. All right, highlight. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Warm Honey. And just to make that a little bit brighter, I'm gonna add some porcelain into that. I like my highlight bright. And see, it just brightens it up the tiniest bit. It's nothing major, nothing crazy, nothing obnoxious. And then I'm actually gonna go ahead and do my cream contour as well. And for contour, I'm gonna use the Black Radiance foundation stick. I'm gonna use the shade Espresso. There we go. We're gonna use the shade Espresso for the cheeks. I'm gonna take that same brush that I used for my foundation and I'm going to blend out this contour. I really do need to get rid of the sun. Hold on. I'm gonna go ahead and use my sponge and blend this highlight out. That is so nice. All right, so now that I'm perfectly perfect in the face, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take some Laura Mercier and on the Real Technique setting brush, this purple one, I'm gonna go ahead and set all of that all the places that I highlighted. So now I'm gonna take the Black Opal True Color, what is this, Velvet Finishing Powder, and in the shades medium and dark, I'm gonna mix those two together. And that's what I'm gonna use to set my whole face. And then on the Morphe E4, I'm gonna go ahead and do set my whole face. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, that was fun. So now I'm gonna take the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in medium to dark, and I'm going to set all the contoured areas. And I'm just gonna take an angled brush. This one is from BH Cosmetics, I believe. Yes, it's the number 32. Ooh, that's so pretty. And then we're just gonna take some of the leftovers or whatever and hit my forehead up. And see, now the sun done went away again. And like, it's a window next to me. It's a big, big window next to me. And I didn't want to have my other light on because it just be so bright, this light. I gotta figure this out, y'all. All right, I'm gonna take that same that E27 brush that I did my contour with, and I'm going to set it with that same brush. Crazy. All right, we're done with the face. I'm gonna go in the Morphe Dare to Create palette, and I'm going to use the shade, what is this? Rendus? What? Oh, Sunder. It's upside down and backwards. So I'm gonna use the shade Sunder, kind of as like my transition thing, and I'm gonna use the Morphe 530 M573 brush to do that. I'm fucking wildin'. And I haven't primed my eyelids yet because I'm going to use a colored base. So just throw that up there in your crease, right? Okay. Now I'm gonna take this liquid lipstick from BH Cosmetics. The name must have rubbed off. It's nowhere on here. But just take a red eyeshadow base and get that all over your lid. Let me do one eye at a time. Put that on your whole entire lid. And you can bring it up into the crease a little bit if you feel like it. You do want to make sure it's nice and blended out. And you don't have to take it too far out, but I am gonna take it out a little bit past. All right, so I'm gonna take a relatively fluffy brush, and I don't know the name of this color, but it's in the Jaclyn Hill palette. We're gonna go with this one right here. It's like a dark, kind of like almost like a brick red. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush, and I'm going to concentrate that out on my outer corner V, whatever type area. Oh, you know, we should zoom in. I be forgetting all the time. I'm terrible, I know. Ooh, that's a zoom for that ass. Oh, we in there. Hey. All right. Brick red, outer corner. Concentrate. And we're just gonna pack that on. Nice and heavy. This is already mad sexy, right? Then I'm gonna take a flat shader brush, any flat shader brush, but just take any bright red matte shadow. I mean bright red, son. Hopefully you can see how bright this red is without me putting it up in the camera, because this shit won't focus. I told you I'm getting used to this new camera. I gotta figure out settings and shit like that. But we're gonna take this bright ass red and just pack it on the lid. Woo! Woo! I'm gonna take this Royal & Lang nickel brush, and it's just a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna blend these two colors together a bit more. And I'm gonna blend out the top as well. So now we're gonna go back into the Dare to Create palette, and I'm going to use the shade Snatched, and it's like a shimmery red. But I'm gonna wet my brush, and I am going to pack that on top of this bright red that we got going on. That's pretty. And if you have hooded eyes like me, you want to take it above your hood and into the crease so that you can actually see what the hell you got going on. I'm going to take this out pretty far.
So now I'm just going to add some more of that brick red and deepen up the outer V area. And then I'm going to go back with that clean brush and just blend everything nice and smooth.
This camera does not focus well. So I'm going to take my Makeup Forever Aqua XL and I'm going to line my waterline. So I'm just going to take an angled brush. I'm going to dip back in that brick red in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to kind of do my lower lash line. And I'm actually going to bring it pretty far down. Yeah, like that. That's, ooh, I like that. And then I'm going to take the red, a tiny bit of that red, and put it on top of it, like right on top of it, just to brighten it up a little bit. Because I don't want to look like I'm dead or dying. And you see how it just brightens it up a little bit? And remember how we started out with that M573 and that Sunder color? Just want to take some of that and go back in that crease and kind of just make sure that's nice and blended. I'm using the shade Glitz and Glam. It's an old colored rain loose mineral eyeshadow. So you just want to get something like really gold and pretty. And I'm going to do my brow highlight with that. Girl. Gonna take that M573, blend that out. Because we don't need all that, we don't need all that. Yeah, that's pretty. All right, I'm gonna do my brows right quick. So now that my brows are done, I forgot what I was about to do. Oh, duh, liner. So today's liner, we're going to be using the NYX matte liquid liner. It's black, it's fantastic. I can't show y'all none of these damn products because this camera. I'm sorry, y'all. Like, don't be mad at me. Ooh. All right, next we're on to the lip. So for the lips today, I'm gonna try the crayon case. Hold on, we'll see. And then for the middle, I'm gonna go in with this URB matte liquid lipstick in the shade Boss. All right, and now I'm gonna take some NYX Clear Gloss and I'm gonna put it on a lip brush. I don't like this thing to get dirty. All right, so now we're gonna add some lashes. Your lashes is boring, sis. Okay, onward. So I'm going to spray myself down, mat it up. Kat Von D I'm using. I'm gonna add some blush. I'm gonna take the Real Techniques powder brush and I'm going to dip in Sangria. And I'm also, this is from the Zurich palette, and I'm also going to dip into Sola from the Saharan Blush 2 palette. And they both have a little bit of a shimmer in them. I like the Sangria because it's not as pink, like it's a little bit more red. And I think mixing these two colors will give us a really nice result. So let's do this blush thing real quick. Yeah, that's cute. I think with all my Valentine's Day looks, I'm gonna do blush. And then I'm just gonna take my my Morphe E4 brush and just make sure it's blended. See, it looks better on this side. Now I'm gonna spray myself down again. And then just before it dries, I'm gonna take my highlighter from Meraki Cosmetics. It's not focusing. Oh my God, this is very annoying. I'm going to take this highlighter from Meraki Cosmetics, and it is in the shade Phoebe Ferrer. And it's a very pretty pink gold, since we have like this reddish gold thing going on. Is this not dry? I still got wet spots on my face. It's okay, it's all right. So I'm just gonna use my finger today, because why not? Then I'm just gonna go back over it with that E4 to just kind of, you know, because I want my highlight to be subtle today. Nice subtle highlight. That's right, subtle. We're gonna pronounce the B in subtle today. So we're not doing wet highlights today. We're doing nice subtle highlights today, especially because we got all this blush and contour and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's nice. Okay guys, so that brings us to the end of another tutorial with Trice, and as always, if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to give me a big old thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel if you have not, and follow me on all social media at @callme_Trice. Same name across the board. If you're looking for me, you're gonna find me. I do this at the end of every video because I feel like there's something else that I should be saying, but I can't remember, but whatever. If you have not answered this week's chat with Bonjour Mon Petites already, I want to know about Valentine's Day. Are women required to get men a gift? Is that like a prerequisite now? Is that like a new thing? I want to know. If you didn't answer it in the last video, answer it in this video, because I'm trying to hear from you. So that's all there is to say, and there is no more, except as always, I thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, love you, love you, and I will catch you in the next video. Mwah! Bye.